So here I have a star that I've been working on. You can kind of see that it's 3 diamonds. Let me show you what the back looks like. On these diamonds, you can see, if I can hold it up here for you, you can see that they're just basted loosely around the little cardboard diamond inside. All of these would just completely pop out when I'm done. They're not sewn all the way through. It's just sewn, basted basically on the outside of the diamond. I have joined 3 of these together. You can see, I'll try to go up close. You can see how tiny the stitching is, but I'm just going through the fabric, but not going through the cardboard. And I'm just doing little tiny stitches. Let's get that in focus there for you. And then by the time it comes together, you can see that you do not see any of your stitches. And I'm using batiks, so you can tell if you've ever sewn with batiks before that the fabric is completely hand-dyed. So it does not look exactly evenly dyed, but that's the reason so many people love batiks. So here is half of the star. Okay, and then here's a diamond that I have basted around the edges. Okay, and the next step is to go through. I use a little carrying case that I came up with that I had in my kitchen, and I thought this would be perfect for actually traveling with because you can kind of see what you've got in it. It's got a little pop down lid, and then it locks into place, and it's perfect for taking on an airplane. Inside my little kit, I've got different fabrics that I've already made into the diamond shapes. I carry a couple just different color threads. I've got little tiny pair of scissors, and I highly recommend taking more than one needle because needles have a way of getting lost, especially when you're traveling, and that's no fun to have to pull off the highway to go find some shop that sells quilting needles because you left home with just one. So I definitely take more than one. All right, so let me go ahead and go back to my star, and I'm just going to, my next step is I'm going to just find 3 fabrics. My star is going to be all different batiks, so there's no real matching that's involved. And then I just play around with the different fabrics that I have to see which one I think would look better. So see, this is the same one as that, it just has a different dye along. You can kind of see that that's the same color there. So I'm not going to be using that, but I think I'll probably go with this color combination. And then once I get that together, I'll put another video out, and I'm going to show you once I get these 3 sewn, and it's going to look just like this one, 3 together. Then I will come back for my next video and show you how you combine the 2 together to make a perfect 6-pointed English paper piece star. Thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.